I've been broken into. The bike is still here. Saying that, they did actually knock it over and pull some bits off it and messed it up quite a lot, if I'm honest. There's not going to be any quick progression now. This probably won't be a decent video anytime soon. We're back in the unit, the bike's back, we've got plenty to get on with. Hope you like the video, just thought I'd do something a little bit different because obviously it's the start of a new year. I want to bring you quality videos. So yeah, we've got lots to be getting on with. Expect new episodes very soon. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video if you want to see more, and I shall see you in the next video very soon. Peace.